definitely. Well, every year, obviously, we're going to get some new players in, and by the looks of it, we got a lot of good young players coming in, and that's exciting. And then on top of that, there's a whole new league with 18 teams and a lot of changes. But overall, it's going to be really exciting and great for our fans, I think.
For you and Guy and Leo, the veteran guys that fans are familiar with your faces. Because the league is a little bit younger and your roster is going to be younger and there is that turnover this year as perhaps there hasn't been as much in the past, do you feel like it's a little bit more on your shoulders and you got to do a little more teaching out there?
Not really. I think both Guy and I and Leo, I think we all kind of lead by example, put the effort in, work hard every day and kind of show how to be a professional really. And, even our young guys, I think, are a lot in that mold also. So I don't, put any more pressure on myself. There's a couple less vets than we've had in the past, but it's going to be a cool challenge. And obviously, the roster getting younger, that's going to be fun too. So,
what are you most looking forward to about jumping from the IHL to the CHL?
Just seeing new teams. I'm sure the fans say the same thing, that they kind of got sick of seeing the Port Huron, the Flint, Muskegon's, and having the opportunity to play different teams and different buildings, and a new challenge really. The last 3 years we've won the championship here, and it'd be great to go and win another one in our first year as a participant in this new league. So, that the challenge to show that the 3 championships we've won, are no joke.
Yeah, where do you see as the strengths of this team? Obviously, you haven't gotten on the ice as a whole unit yet, but knowing some of these guys and having played against some of these guys and with them, what do you see as going to be some of the strengths of this team, especially early on?
Early on, I think our strength here is bringing back a lot of the same players, a lot of the core. You kind of skip that chemistry building part of the start of the season. We're kind of jumping to a start where, personally, I've played with Leo and OC for a whole year now. We've had like 5 or 6 defensemen that have been on this team, 2 goalies that have been on this team. So, I don't see a lot of weaknesses, and that kind of chemistry that's been built up over the few years that we've won these championships really help us to a good start, I'm hoping.